guys, in this video I am showing you how to make awesome intros for free. Let's get started. So first step is go to Chrome and type panzoid.com. Then click on Creations. There are many types of free intros, so I choose one of them. So guys, I am choosing an intros of this. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, now it's get loaded. So first step is click on the I button, then play. Okay, I like this intro, and now I am showing you how to add your channel or intro name. So first of all, go to Objects, then search for text. Okay, so I found a group of text. Then click on Electric, and now I have typed my channel name, Mr. Tech. Okay, I typed it. Oh, now I play. Okay. Hope you like this video, and now I am showing you how to download your intro. Go to download and start video render. So it may take some time for rendering. It depends on your internet speed also. So I will pause this video and continue after it complete. So friends, now it get completed, and then you have to click on your download video, and then wait for downloading. So my video get downloaded, I am showing you. So friends, I think you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel Mr. Tech and like my video, and also watch the video in the end. Okay friends, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.